Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very rare car. It's a 1965 Olds 442, legit 442. It's got all the right stuff, big sway bars, box lower control arms, everything. Super rare color too, huh Vince?
Yeah, it's awesome. You don't see too many that color.
No, you don't. This is such a cool car compared to like its, Chevelle counterpart.
Yeah.
You know, it's very different. Everyone's got a Chevelle. No one's got a 442.
Definitely.
You know? So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's got the original 400 numbers matching engine. 4-speed.
Yeah.
Factory air.
Factory air. Power windows.
Yes. That's tilt steering. New column that was installed. It's not originally with tilt steering.
Yeah.
The interior is slightly modified.
Got tri-power on it too, right?
Tri-power, yeah, it's got the tri-power manifold.
How long did it take you to find that?
Oh man, I've been looking for one of them.
That was your life, right? You could walk Carlisle for 6 years and still never find one.
But,
should pull it off and give him the carburetor.
Yeah, we have the original manifold and the air cleaner, the stainless air cleaner. That's
Pop the trunk. I'm going to show him that. And look at this sail panel right, or this panel here.
How clean, yeah.
Super clean.
Really,
they're always pitted.
You don't see that in that kind of shape either.
Nope.
They're always pitted.
Yep.
The part metal on the sides is clean also.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of extra parts. I have the liner for the hood, the inside liner, brand new in the box. We have an electronic ignition. I decided to keep it all original.
Yeah.
But if somebody wants to make it a little bit more modern, they can put the digital.
Cool.
We have the stainless.
That's very rare, that piece right there.
Yeah. Yeah, these are hard to find. If you find one, it's going to cost you $1,500 or so.
More than that.
Got the fifth wheel is chrome and new tire and rim.
Yeah, jack and everything.
Got the original jack complete.
Huh.
I mean, the car was well cared for.
Original radio. What is that? I've never seen one of these. Reverberation?
Yeah, very rare. Back in the 60s, I've never seen it until I bought
Is that
this
the
car.
unit right here?
Yeah.
No, that's the hidden
power.
radio.
That's the power for the new
Where is
radio.
it?
It's a power
Wow,
booster.
that's pretty cool. And then here's your original manifold.
Yeah.
And original carb, or is
That's
that
not the
a
original
Holly?
carb. That's a Holly, but I do have a brand new, not brand new, a rebuilt carburetor that goes with it as well.
Cool.
GM.
Wow.
And the floor pans and the trunk pans, they're all, you can see they're original. They're not rusted or rotted through. I mean, they haven't been restored. It's all original.
I'd rather have it original than
Yeah. It could
spray
be cleaned up
bomb,
a
the
little bit. I
speckle
just never
paint.
got around
You
to
know,
it.
you could tell these are original quarters too.
Yeah. All the metal is,
All the metal's original, you think?
yeah, I believe so.
Cool.
Definitely the quarters are.
Got the key?
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah, it's got the deep dish wheels.
Yeah.
Underneath the car's been modified as far as the suspension springs and the shocks are all adjustable.
Wow.
It's got the shortened gearbox, steering gearbox.
Oh, quick ratio.
So it drives like a new car. It's really tight. It doesn't rattle. In fact, I'm very impressed. I don't feel like I'm driving a car from 65.
Yeah.
It's got disc brakes in the front, dual master.
What is this color? Meridian turquoise?
Oh, I forget what it's called. It's an aqua. I
Aqua.
believe.
So unique. I've never seen this color before on this car. Very cool.
Yeah, it's rare. Have you seen a similar color? It might have been the same color on the GTOs.
Yeah.
But I've never seen them on the
I've
the
never
Olds.
seen it on Olds. Super rare. Who was it? A big enthusiast that owned this car before you, or?
I'm not sure.
It's super special with
I
all
bought it
these
from an older
options.
gentleman,
Yeah.
but I don't know who originally owned it.
I mean, to have power steering, power brakes, power windows, air.
Factory.
You know, that's a lot of options. A lot of these guys would buy these cars back in the day, and get them stripped. You know?
It's, probably was an older gentleman, I would think. 'Cause, he got all the comforts as well as he wanted the speed.
Yeah, really cool. Love the buckets, steering, 3-spoke steering wheel.
Yeah, everything works. The lights work. The windows work. Oh, all the rubber, everything's been replaced at some point.
Yeah.
So whoever gets the car really don't have to do much. They can take it up a notch if they want, or just leave it as is. Drive it, enjoy it.
And 86,395 original miles, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was told when I bought it.
It looks at that.
Yeah.
It does. I see these all day. Look how far the radio is. He's like barely reached it. And not a crack in the dash. Everyone I've seen had a crack right down the middle.
Yep.
Right? Even the console's super nice. Very cool.
Yeah, that was restored too, I believe. Or it could be original, but
super nice
really
headliner.
nice
Really cool. Can you fire it up? Let's check that under the hood. Surprised he doesn't have T3s on this. Look at the paint. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Yeah? Just cool. It's got a nice sound to it. The tri-power's all tuned in, runs good? Huh. Oh. Man, it's got a great sound. What kind of mufflers?
Not sure.
Look at that. Yeah. Super nice. Loaded.
Got 7 headers on it and they came to the 3-inch lights.
Paint is KKK. I'm sure everybody on YouTube will let me know. Even a Harrison Radiator. That is great.
Yeah, that's a rare Radiator. It's hard to find those.
It's a 4-core, right?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Really cool.
Yeah,
New alternator?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been gone through before I bought it. But it does burn a little oil.
Okay. Oh,
It's expected a piece, but
it's an older car. What do you expect?
I'm selling it with the fact that it does burn some oil.
Yeah.
Other than that, it runs great.
New master cylinder?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. Dual master.
Washing the valve. Everything was done right on the car.
Yeah.
Everything I've gone over,
Yeah.
you can see it's been done by someone who really knew what they were doing.
Yeah, old
Got
guy.
the adjustable shock.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It's got a really heavy duty spray bar on the front. When you're corner with this car, it doesn't move.
Huh.
Like, you know, with the old A-body.
Yeah.
Stays straight.
Ah, so they did it right. So air still blows cold, or?
Yeah.
Huh.
I haven't used it since the summer, but it did. I'll check it all out before.
Okay. Can we go for a ride?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's do it. Man, power windows. Look at that. Jeez. Dude, I've never seen one of these with power windows. Alright, don't kill me.
Tilt steering.
It's comfy, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Sorry about that. Me.
On the seat, I
Just
pushed the
remove
seat back.
Yeah.
It's like 5 foot. Oh, funny. Sorry about that. My fault. It's gotta be a turbo muffler or something that sounds nice. Headers or manifolds?
It's got headers.
Sounds so good.
There's plenty of airflow on the originals from the 400 engine.
The brakes feel good even with the tri-power?
Yeah, it brakes great.
Woo! Wow. Doesn't feel like an old car, man. Feels nice and solid.
Yeah, no, the car's tight, I tell you. It kills me
Wow.
to sell it, but I just have too much stuff going on.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of moving and
Oh, jeez. Timing, guys. It's all about the timing. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Vincent, awesome car. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Any questions at all, give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website, it's weebeautos.com. Thanks a lot.